stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Oh my God, look at who it is. DEVINCI here with day 4 of 12 days of Christmas. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm back with another video after yesterday's. Oh my God, you guys, yesterday was a mess. But today we're back and we're better than ever because we've got a super wearable, Can you imagine coming to Christmas dinner like, bitch, I'm here? Today is day 4 of 12 days of Christmas with DEVINCI. I showed up again. Oh my God, even when the devil wants to hold me back, I show up. So I am super excited to stay consistent. I really hope nothing goes wrong tomorrow because I got work. So hopefully I'm able. Nah, but seriously, we got so many birds. If you guys saw day 1, day 2, and day 3, you understand why day 4, we couldn't get another bird on our face, especially not 4 of them. So here we are with Black Swan inspired makeup, and it looks really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I believe that this is wearable. Like, I would come up into Christmas dinner like, hey, you know, with a fabulous outfit on. Looking like a bad D. Yeah, they'll be like, oh my gosh, is that the new trend of makeup, Jasmine? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. DEVINCI here with day 4 of 12 days of Christmas makeup. I'm actually pretty excited because I'm so over this. But I said that I was gonna do it, so I'm gonna stay consistent. Today's supposed to be 4 blackbirds, and I don't know how in the hell we're gonna get 4 blackbirds on our face. So we're gonna do a Black Swan makeup look. So I hope I'm in focus. This is my first time filming on my Nikon by myself, so wish me luck. We're gonna start off with our face. In the Black Swan makeup look, you guys know her skin was really pale, really pale. So we're gonna go in with our Tarte in the color Tan Sand. And we're using this because it's really pale. If you have like super dry skin, this is a no. I am so all over the place. I'm only gonna conceal the brows because we're gonna draw over the brows. After this, I'm about to head to the store with my mother-in-law. I gotta get some new shoes to start a new job. And yeah, it's gonna require me to be on my feet all day long. So, I cannot believe that one. Yeah, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go on top with this this BH Cosmetics, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's a concealer. We're only doing this because we're going for lightness, light brows. Her whole face is light, you know? Okay, and then we're gonna just set those brows one more time. Okay, and then we're gonna just go back over that. Then we're gonna just add some of this light concealer to our face. Because ultimately we're going for a, so funny. We're going for a brighter look. So I want you guys to know this is not gonna match my skin, but that is the point. Filming in a whole nother camera. This is my Nikon camera. This is my real big professional camera. I've been liking to use my Sony. A lot of people have been asking me, what do you do to get your videos to look like that? And I have lights. I have a lighting setup that I've worked on for the past 2-3 years that I've been doing YouTube. Oh yeah, we're bringing it down our neck because we want our neck just as light. But yeah, so if you feel like your camera is not, your quality doesn't look like mine, it probably doesn't, because you might not have any lights, and if you don't have any lights, I would suggest using your Sony camera with natural lighting because it looks bomb. But yeah, people are like, can you do a video? And I mean, I guess I could if you really wanted to see a video on that, but I think you really just want to see my lights and my lighting setup, because if you don't have the same lighting setup, it's not gonna remotely look like mine, and it's only due to my lighting. Yeah, so our face is really light, but I'm gonna go in with this concealer to brighten up my under eyes and to make me a bit more white. And this concealer from BH Cosmetics, it's the Studio Pro Total Coverage Foundation. Concealer, it's actually really good. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a good foundation, good concealer, this concealer actually works really well. I'm super excited about this tutorial because it's so ugly. But yeah, so we're gonna set our under eyes, and then to set our whole face, we're actually not gonna use our Cover FX. We're gonna use our MAC Medium Plus, and it's actually too light. And the only reason why I want to use this is because it's too light, and I want a more, you know, pale looking makeup look. Tap that all on our forehead. Makeup itself is whatever you want to do to put your own little, it's like, let's say for example, I was recreating a famous Picasso painting. My Picasso painting wouldn't look like Picasso's painting because I'm not Picasso. So that's okay. You then show your imagination and your creativity on how you want to come up with your Black Swan character. What we are going to do is we're going to contour with like a little bit of blush. So I'm going to just carve it. Her jawline is really defined, so if we wanted to add any contour, it would be to our jawline just to snatch it up a bit some. Oh. All right, so what we're going to do next, we can start by drawing. This is her when she just goes evil. Pointed like that. So we're going to just follow the top. We're going to bring this around our natural eyebrow. Let's see what's gonna happen next. We might need to pack some shades down. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go in with like these blues, and right now I'm gonna just kind of like pack into the line. So after the blues, I'm just using the blues out of the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna just kind of like sprinkle them through my face like this, keeping them inside of that line we just created. So let's go on with this darker blue. And down here is gonna mainly be like white, just to merge the colors together. Just take this Pat McGrath and some black. So what I need to invest in are some NYX Vivid Bright Liners. Those literally set off looks. So if it's one thing that you should have, the only thing is they get really dried out really fast, but they're super cheap and they do a great job. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on top with this light shimmering blue shade. You can't see that, but this light shimmering blue shade, just to give us some more dimension going on. It's gonna give us more of a sparkly type of deal before we go in with our black lines and then our white highlights. I normally for sure have help with this camera, but hey, it's 2018. We gotta do stuff for ourselves. What we need now is like black lines all over the place. Oh, it looks really pretty, guys. I would definitely wear my makeup like this on a night out. Goes with a lot of lip shades, and this is Flesh 3 by Pat McGrath. And then let's just go in with a little bit of like a darker purple. Okay, so let me just go get in final costume and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. If you haven't already checked out days 1 through 3, I'll link them in a card and in the description below. So after this video, go on ahead and check them out because they're all you know, really entertaining. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm just super excited to actually stay consistent with this. A lot of my videos don't get a lot of views, but I don't care about that. I'm here, I'm consistent. I said that I was gonna do it. I said that I was gonna show up. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications because I literally don't know when they're gonna go live. They're gonna go live that day, like today's December 4th. You're gonna get it. It's currently 12:17. After I get off of this, I'm gonna edit the video. Then I gotta go Christmas shopping. Hopefully I'm done editing it. This is a lot, but yeah, the devil's not gonna hold me down. I got this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's day 5 of 12 Days of Christmas with DEVINCI. And tomorrow's cool because it's 5 golden ring. Oh no, we can do like a golden ring halo, low key. That's a vibe. It's asking for a lot, but I think it can get done. And like a super cute golden smoky little thing, little wearable look. So yeah.
And it's bitch.